Queen Anne's lace. Here's the bottom, so you can see the umbrella effect. As you look into the middle of the Queen Anne's lace flower, you see that little red dot? That's a great way to identify that it's Queen Anne's lace. They say that Queen Anne, as she was sewing her lace, she pricked her finger. So that's why they call it Queen Anne's lace, and it has that little red dot that was supposedly from her finger, that she got some blood on the lace. So that's Queen Anne's lace. There's the bottom of it, like an umbrella effect. And here are the leaves, which are very similar to yarrow leaves. Very furry, not furry, but feather-like. And here's one starting. It hasn't opened up yet. So this is Queen Anne's lace. Now this is in the carrot family. As you can see, the leaves are very similar to carrot leaves. So this is a great way to identify Queen Anne's lace. By that little red dot in the middle, you know you've got Queen Anne's lace.